at operating temperature. Let's see how much that is. Oh, it's going back up. A few seconds ago when I did it, it was at 900 to 912. Looks like it came down. But I didn't even adjust the idling yet. So we're gonna get down to about right here. Let's see. Turn it off. Throw the position sensor right here and do this one. Both of those is off, then the screw is right back here. Okay, let's start it up. Ooh, that went high. My foot wasn't even on the gas. Yeah, it's the I. So let's get to work. It's about 9, 8 something 9. Okay. Let's push this in. Give it a few turns. Let's see where it's at right now. Not that low, but let's go again. I can hear the engine sounding like much lower. So let's see again. It's down to about, I'd say 725. Let's give it another turn. Alright. Okay, a little bit more. I'm trying to get it down to 650. I mean 657. Alright. Sounds much more quiet. So the bigger line is 5, so it's about 625. I'm gonna undo it a little bit and that should be it. But compared to how the engine sounds right now, it's as if it was racing before. That should be good. Yep, that's about 650, 675. Yep, should be good right there. And let's see how these want to put in park. In our driver, man. Yeah, it should be good right there. I'm gonna just turn this off. Put back my wires.
You know what I told them? That's coming from him.
Always make sure these are done properly. Yeah. Let's give it another shot. I'm getting a code on the transmission. That can't be possible. It's still a bit high. I don't know why. But yeah, that's enough messing around with that. Let's see if I get a code on transmission again. I don't know why that happened. Nope, nothing this time. So to that's watching the video, if this highlight is considered to be too high, then let me know and I'll adjust it as necessary. Yeah, this video is going on way too long.